Hey there, it's How to Fix It Workshop. I'm Greg. Today I'm going to show you how to take a fake spider like this and make him a little bit more animated. So basically, going up, going down, going up, going down. I got this motor set off Amazon. It's pretty simple little kit. Comes with your plugs, little motor. So what I'm going to do is kind of hook something like that together, and this obviously is going to spin. And I'll have a string on the bottom. It'll wind the spider down, and then once it goes all the way around, it'll start winding it back up. The idea is it'll keep going up and down, up and down. So let's get to it.
There it is.
How exciting. It's spinning. So if you don't know these little motors that that I bought on Amazon, which the link will be in the description, they come with everything you need, and there's a little clamp here that clamps the wires together, so you plug it right in. Pretty simple. Probably 4 inches, then I have enough space for screwing that on. Well, sometimes you don't follow the line so well, but it's okay. So now I'm going to need one about the same size. This is what's good about editing. The idea, something like that.
Oh, okay.
You still recording me?
Yeah.
I didn't, okay, it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
See, there's a reason why you do the woodworking stuff on this channel. I can do a few things.
You can.
Don't hit your thumb, that hurts.
Yeah. Good tip. I like your hammer.
Ah! God dang it!
Ow.
We'll replay that in slow motion. Don't hit my finger.
All right, so that's kind of the idea right there, right?
Yep.
So this will go up against the house. Motor over here.
Yep.
All right.
Guess that would work too. Our beautiful box here. There we go. Spinning good. So I want to drill a little hole down here, but we'll get to that in a minute. I'm gonna put like a picture frame cord on here. Take one. Look at how easy. I don't know if you've ever worked with this stuff before. You have? Works really well. It's because I don't want to put any holes in my porch, because this is where it's going. It's going to go on my porch. It's going to hang. I'm going to use this and a command hook. So I'm going to draw a small little hole there. Here's where the string is going to go through. The hardest part is going to be just feeding it through there. There we go.
Look at that. You're a genius.
Yeah. Okay. Now I got my string through. I do have a washer. Will that work?
Okay, yeah, and tie
it right. I think I'm going to tie this, but then I'm going to tape around it, because I feel that no matter what I do, it'll end up spinning and not winding.
Yeah,
so I think I'm going to just tape this. Duct tape is your best bet.
best friend.
Best friend. We'll do a little test run here. Let me flip this on. So, there it goes. It's winding. So I think when the spider's on it, it'll give it a little bit more weight.
String started.
If not, we'll have to add a little weight to the spider. they're not dressed yet.
Bah, bah. I love this.
All right, it should stop up there. There we go. Now it's gonna back off. Now it's gonna come back down.
Fast?
What?
Is it gonna drop fast?
Same speed.
Sorry, that's all I got.